So this is the Mr. Rui 18-piece paint set. Thanks to the brand for sending it my way for review. This is pretty much all that you'll need if you're going to be doing a paint project around your house. So this set comes with 2 large paintbrush rollers and the handle, and then 4 small rollers with the handle. It also comes with those scrapers to use for patching up walls, a paintbrush, which has really nice bristles. It's good quality brush. And then it comes with a drop cloth, a plastic drop cloth, which is always useful. And then this metal device to open up your paint cans, as well as the tray, which has this plastic cover, which is perfect so you don't get your tray dirty. So I just decided to do this wall for demo. As you can see, I have a lot of areas that need cleaning up on this wall, lots of bumps, scratches. So first thing that I did is I went in with my light spackling and I just tidied up those areas, and I used the scraper that came with the paint set to do that, and it was really effective and it was really easy to clean up those areas. So then I went in and put in the plastic tray, and then I used that little metal tool to open up my paint can. And once I had done that, then I poured the paint into the tray and got to painting. The roller was super smooth and it gave a really nice finish on the paint. I'm really happy with the quality of the roller for this paint set. Once I was done, I peeled back my blue tape, which is always so satisfying, and I got really nice paint color on my walls. And now you can see that it looks so much better than it did before. It's totally cleaned up, and I really like this paint set.